Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of paying those heavy, overweight baggage fees at the airport? When you're traveling internationally, every gram counts. In this guide, we've tested and ranked the top 5 lightweight suitcases. Let's find the perfect luggage to make your next trip smooth and stress-free. Product number 1, Cool Life Suitcase Set, 3-piece hardshell. The Cool Life 3-piece hardshell set is the full-sized keyboard with the numpad of the travel world. It provides a complete layout for any journey. Constructed from a lightweight yet durable ABS plus C material, the build quality is designed to withstand the high actuation stress of international baggage carousels. The white finish offers a premium aesthetic, while the multi-directional spinner wheels glide with the smoothness of a linear switch. This set includes a 20-inch carry-on, a matching beauty case, and a tote bag, offering incredible value for travelers who need a cohesive setup. Each suitcase features an integrated TSA-approved lock, ensuring your hardware remains secure across borders. The interior is fully lined with multi-use organizational pockets, making it easy to categorize your gear. For the international traveler who needs a versatile, high-capacity kit that doesn't compromise on weight, this Cool Life set is a top-tier contender for this time. Product number 2, Away Bigger Carry-On Luggage. The Away Bigger Carry-On is the flagship mechanical of the luggage industry, minimalist, ultra-durable, and iconic. Built with a high-strength polycarbonate shell, its build quality is engineered to be nearly indestructible while remaining remarkably light. It is designed to fit in the overhead bin of most major airlines, providing a compact layout that maximizes every inch of allowed space. The 360-degree spinner wheels offer a silent tactile experience, moving effortlessly across airport terminals. Internally, the bag features a hidden laundry bag and a compression system that allows you to pack more than meets the eye. The TSA-approved combination lock and sleek cloud gray finish make it a favorite for digital nomads and business professionals. If you are looking for a zero-compromise investment piece that balances modern aesthetics with professional-grade performance, the Away Bigger Carry-On is the gold standard for international transit. Product number 3, the Level 8 Grace Hardshell Carry-On, Expandable. The Level 8 Grace is the programmable luggage solution for the tech-savvy traveler. Its standout feature is the front opening compartment, which allows for quick access to a laptop or tablet, much like a dedicated macro key for your most used tools. This 20-inch suitcase is crafted from a micro-diamond textured PC material that resists scratches, maintaining a factory-new build quality even after multiple long-haul flights. The expandable design provides extra buffer for those trips where you bring back more than you took, while the ultra-quiet spinner wheels ensure you won't disturb fellow travelers. The interior layout is exceptionally organized, featuring mesh dividers and compression straps. For the international traveler who needs to access their tech at security checkpoints without opening their entire suitcase, the Level 8 Grace offers a specialized, efficient layout that is perfect for the 2026 mobile workstation. Product number 4, Cool Life Luggage Carry-On, 3-piece soft side. For travelers who prefer the tactile flexibility of fabric over a rigid shell, this Cool Life soft side set is the ideal choice. The build quality utilizes a high-density Oxford cloth that is both water-resistant and tear-resistant. Soft side luggage often acts as the ergonomic option, allowing for slight flexing when squeezing into tight overhead bins or car trunks. This 3-piece set offers a versatile layout, including a rolling bag and matching totes. The spinner wheels provide 360-degree maneuverability, and the telescoping handle feels sturdy and responsive. Because it's soft side, it features external zippered pockets, perfect for storing travel documents or chargers that you need at a moment's notice. This set offers a massive amount of value per piece, making it a great entry point for families or casual travelers.
If you prioritize external storage and a forgiving frame for your international travels, this Cool Life Soft Side collection delivers consistent reliability.
Product number 5. Rosamo 5-piece expandable luggage set. The Rosamo 5-piece set is the ultimate enthusiast bundle for the 2026 traveler. Featuring a vibrant yellow ABS hard case, this set is impossible to miss on a luggage carousel, saving you time and stress. The build quality focuses on impact resistance and lightweight portability, with the 22 by 14 by 9 carry-on being strictly airline approved for international cabins. This 5-piece layout includes everything from the main suitcase to packing cubes and accessory bags. The suitcases are expandable, providing extra depth when the switch is flipped, and the TSA-approved locks come standard. With 360-degree spinner wheels and an ergonomic aluminum handle, it handles heavy loads with ease. This set represents the best value for money for travelers who want a complete, color-coordinated organization system. For the traveler who wants a full house build that covers everything from short weekend hops to month-long international expeditions, the Rosamo set is a bright and bold choice.